don't care. You just tell a fellow professional, hey, I'm now substituting for you, so you don't have to spend the weekend working at the jail. Don't you think that's just professional courtesy?
It's not a motion.
It's
Notice of rep, and I don't see anything unprofessional about
I do.
the notice of rep.
I think it's poor way to deal with something. How do you give him back his time when you've substituted in and he's not aware of it? David, you've got Cody Francois. What are we going to do with Cody?
He had 6 cases.
He's got 6 cases.
I followed on notice of rep.
I'm working on them. He would like to.
Hold on.
I filed a notice of rep.
He says now, Mr. Kimler says he's representing. How long have you been representing?
Whenever it was EFA.
Oh, come on. Yeah. Why is he confused and why am I confused?
Because the e-filing system didn't.
You don't blame it on the system. How about communicating with everybody?
I spoke with him on Saturday, Judge.
With
He
whom?
indicated he wanted to hire Mr. Kimler. Apparently he had, but I spoke.
When did he hire you?
Whatever that says. What does that say?
Called it on the 25th of this month, Judge, which was after we had prepped this docket.
Okay. Did you know that?
No, sir, I didn't know that.
You gotta tell him so that he can back
It
off.
should be on
That
the
was filed
online.
4 days
It should be
ago.
on the online.
How about professional courtesy of just sending a tip to him so that he knows? I mean, he may have worked over the weekend since the 26th. This thing's been done 4 days ago. And now
I'll see
how do
the
you
bill
give him
out.
back his time that he spent?
Judge, he did.
You know what?
indicate
That's
he
what I
wanted to hire
expect
Mr.
everybody,
Kimler.
just professional courtesy to inform the other people,
If
period.
it's e-file, then it's on the
I
online.
don't care. You just tell a fellow professional, hey, I'm now substituting for you, so you don't have to spend the weekend working at the jail. Don't you think that's just professional courtesy?
It's not a motion.
It's
Notice of rep, and I don't see anything unprofessional about.
I do.
The notice of rep.
I think it's poor way to deal with something. How do you give him back his time when you've substituted in and he's not aware of it?
Then it should be on the online system. There should be we're on the electronic system, then it should be done through e-filing. There should be an e-file generated to him.
I expect,
Once that's filed, then it should be.
I've done this a
e-filed.
lot longer than you, and that professional courtesy has always been the same. You tip your fellow professional off so that they don't spend their time up in the jail, not aware that you have substituted in. That's only decent. Everybody
I
knows
didn't
that.
substitute in. I didn't follow.
It's not a debate, sir. That's what I expect.
So I'm required to notify.
I expect you to, professional courtesy is what I expect from fellow professionals, and that wasn't given when you did this. You knew he was being represented by David or
I
somebody.
didn't know he was representing. Mr. Grove. I didn't.
How
check.
long have you been representing?
Several months, Judge.
I didn't check.
But
Would you ought to check?
when I talked to him, the defendant, he didn't even say he was represented by Mr. Kimler.
They came in and hired me.
Well, again,
I
though,
know,
I mean.
I know it's not fair to him,
It's
and everybody knows that. That's not right.
And we keep it working like Oouchie the boss. We trying to catch up like we hit us a fault. We gotta win, ain't taking no loss.